Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have Boxycharm. It is my base box. My boxies are finally in the building. So let's get into it, see what I got. The Boxycharm base box is a monthly beauty box that comes out from Boxycharm. It is their base box. It has 5 products for $25. Usually the value is way more than that. And I find for me that I always get items that I want. There might be 1 or 2 that I pass along, but the value for me and what I get and what I use is always there. I have a couple of add-ons that I will also just show you guys at the end. I was just doing my premium box and whining. I don't know what list I've managed to get on, but I have absolutely gotten on a list that says no. Deliver hers later. I just got both of my boxies. I got my second Ipsy. I've already posted one of them. I did get my Goldie Boxed. I'm going to tape that in a minute, but that came in a very timely fashion. That came in just 2 days. But everything else, it seems like mine comes so late, and I don't live in a rural area. All right, when we get into it, this is what it looks like. You know that it is the base box because it is red, and this one is Boxycharm's Fantasy, and that is what that looks like. And oops, I was gonna pull it out. Those are our products. I actually think I watched Alexandria Ryan unbox this exact same variation last night, so it must be a popular one. It's variation 21. Wish I could remember if that was the number of hers. I remember what I picked, and I think it's actually a repeat for me, but I got it knowing that I could set it aside to give away because I didn't love this month's choices for the base box, and I knew this was something that would make a fun giveaway. So the first thing out of the box, we have the Gen Skin. And these are eye masks, and they are blue. See, I feel like I've cheated. I feel like I've read ahead and somebody else has done my homework for me because I've seen this box. Actually, you know what I didn't see is the ingredients before I cut that open any further. Let's see if I can use it. I quit cutting. If you get this, if I put this in a giveaway and you get it, just know I cut one of the sides before I read about it. I'm gonna leave the rest of it sealed. It has licorice root in it. It's a nice little pot that has, I think, 30 sets. Is that true? I think, yep, 30 pair of blue eye masks. Let me read to you about them because I always want things to be as sealed as absolutely possible when I'm passing them along, even if it's just to my daughter. I like things to be sealed if they can be. They are hydrating marine algae eye patches. They have a $49.99 value because invariably the things that I can't use are the high dollar items. It says marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Use for dewier, fresher looking peepers. That's cute. So Gen Skin, 30 pair of under eye, brighten your eyes. Sounds fantastic. Next out of the box, we have the, French is my worst, outre or outre. I'm gonna settle on one right now. I'm gonna say outre. And that is what that looks like. I think it was a hair mask. 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist styling aid. Fine 3 mists. Yes, it was definitely Alexandria because she said fine 3 mists, medium 5 mists, thick 7 mists. Yes, because it's for your hair, not your face. So I have fine hair, so I would definitely be 3 mists. This has a $30 value, and it says this leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. It enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. Well, let's see what it smells like, because you guys know that's where it's a pretty good mist. That's where I put a lot of stock in hair products. Oh yeah, oh, it's very pretty. It's very sweet. Well, but I just did 2 and I would only do 1 more in all of my hair. So yeah, I could definitely, I was gonna say, it's got a scent to it. It's a pretty strong scent. I don't know if you guys can tell. It made my hand just a little white. Oh, it feels, I can move it around and it feels like a lotion now. It's like, it's a leave-in conditioner, so it's like you're spraying your hair with a light lotion. So I bet, oh yeah, it's got a lot of slip to it. I would say for sure I can only use 3 mists of this in my hair because anything that I don't rinse out of my hair, it's so fine. It just weighs it down easily. We will definitely be giving this a try. Next out of the box, we have the Dermalect Out Crease Retinol Trifecta Serum. I'm batting 1,000 this month with this box. I don't use retinols. That is a me thing. I've done a lot of reading on retinols and I've made it this far into my 50s. I'm sure that it would help keep it all tighter and turned over, but I just don't use retinols and vitamin A's. So that is what that looks like. I will show you the inside because it's not sealed, but then we won't open it so that I can pass it along. Oh, it's a dropper bottle. I don't know why I didn't anticipate that. That is what it looks like. And again, I will just slide this back into this box to keep it pristine. This has a $39 value and it says Dermalect Out Crease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated, micro-encapsulated delivery system. I have the opposite of thick skin. I have very thin skin, which is why I've been told I'm so sensitive, because my skin is very thin and the capillaries sit very near the top. Just what I've been told. Okay, next I have a Basic Beauty lip oil. I have had things from Basic Beauty before, but I think tools. I think I received like tweezers from them, that kind of thing. I don't know that I've ever had makeup from them. Oh, it's really cute. It's very basic looking, but it absolutely looks like something very clean. You know, it would look very clean if you just took it out of your purse. It looks very neat and tidy. I appreciate that. My little type A personality likes that. This has an $18 value and it says ready for a quick pamper session for your lips. This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduced appearance of lip lines. Well, I have 3 layers of lips so far on, so I'm not going to add this to it because it's going to come off full of lipstick. But let's see what oh, it's just cute. I like the size of this. I like the little doe foot on it. Oh, it smells very coconutty. I always feel like I want to say that because I think, you know how they talk about cilantro? You love it or you hate it. I kind of feel that way about coconut oil too. There are those of us who love it. You could scent everything coconut and I would be happy. Also rose. I don't mind rose. But it is polarizing because a lot of people are like, I do not like coconut. My face does not like coconut. I don't care for the smell of coconut. It seems to be a like it or leave it situation. And this definitely smells like coconut. Last but not least, I have my choice, and it is the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. And that is what it looks like. I've had this before, right guys? Are they both sealed? One of the ends of this is sealed, but I really want to show it. And they say that, oh yeah, I definitely have this. And they say that this is a $50 palette, not to compare, but here I go comparing. I just did my premium boxies, and those big ABH Norvina palettes are only $60. This has a $50 value per Boxycharm. I think I not only have 2 of these, I think I also set the other one of these. I think I set it aside for a giveaway. I'm gonna take this off just so that it doesn't flash back at you guys, but I won't touch anything, see, I promise. That is what it looks like. I'll lay that immediately back on there and tuck it safely away. The paperwork says, express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin matte and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye. What do they say about being positive? Oh, if you have to be negative, make it a positive sandwich. So let me start by saying I love Boxycharm. I know that other people get annoyed with them, and month over month I get far more value out of my Boxycharm than the $25 that I spend. I mean, I get really good stuff out of here that I like. That said, this is probably the first month where I have felt like it's basically almost all giveaways, that there's not really much here for me. I will use, this is a $25 box, I will probably use the $18 lip oil, and I might use the Outre, which was how much? $30. Okay. So even at that, see, I was on the negative point, but here I go. But even at that, going back to the positive, so positive, negative, positive, so you end up with a positive sandwich. This is $48 worth. I only spent $25. So even if I only use these 2, I've still gotten my money's worth. But that said, the high value items, and this is all about me. I can't use licorice root because I am allergic. I don't use retinols, and I own this palette. That said, I picked this palette, but I liked it better than the other choices. But the 3 high dollar items in here, I'm gonna pass along. So it wasn't the best Kathy month. Now, to end on the positive, I love Boxycharm. Does it count when, well, bread's the same. It's the same on top and bottom. So my two positives are, I love Boxycharm. I would absolutely sign up again. I would absolutely recommend it for other people, whether it's the base, the premium, which is $35 and you get 6 products, or the luxe, which comes out quarterly. I would recommend trying the base and the premium before trying the luxe, because the luxe has been a little lately, but I still like it. But I would absolutely recommend the base. Okay. Oh, I have add-ons. Just a couple of add-ons, and they're really unusual add-ons. After I did the premium where I added on the Norvina, I then got back in just to look at regular things, and out of a different box, and I already took these out of the box because they were huge. I picked this up for myself last month, and it's just the Butter London. It's the stuff that you paint your cuticles with, and then you can take your little cuticle pusher and you push back, and it gets all the cuticle off your nails. Heavens knows what's in here, because it just eats the skin right off your nails. It gives you incredible cuticles, and they say you should do it. You shouldn't leave it on for like more than a minute. So, not sure what's in here. Not gonna read about it. Don't wanna know, because I love the way it works. My mom saw it and said, yeah, I'd like to try that too. So that one's for Mama. And then the other thing that I got for myself, not thinking about the fact that I had and have tried from beauty brands, they sent me 2 liters, a conditioner and a shampoo in the Kenra Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. I have been using that the last couple of days and I'm loving it. So I have those 2 liters, and I did not think about it when I ordered these. So spoiler alert, it's shampoo and conditioner. I love IGK. I usually use just their styling products or their heat protecting products, that kind of thing. I don't think I've ever really committed to using their shampoo or their conditioner. I know, this is a heck of a way to drop in, isn't it? So I saw these, and IGK is a pricey brand. I love the styling products that I use, or the hair protectants, all of the things that I use for my hair, and I was like, why am I not using the shampoo and conditioner? Well, the answer is, I don't know, but I will. So which one is the shampoo? Is the shampoo. Do they look exactly the same? Oh, good, they don't. Don't you love when they don't look exactly the same? When you're in the shower and you have soap in your eyes and you're reaching down, you know which is which. This is the shampoo, and it has got the silverish tone, and then this is the conditioner, and it has got the goldish tone. Silver and gold. Now, what's gonna help me remember that? Anyway, it's Bad and Bougie. What's not to love about a shampoo and a conditioner named Bad and Bougie? I will let you know right here what it costs in real life and what I paid in the add-on sale. These are also liters, and what I love about the IGK products is this is vegan, cruelty and gluten-free. It has UV protection. It is petrolatum and mineral oil free, and paraben and sulfate free, both SLS and SLES. It says with bond building complex and amaya oil and coconut oil, it strengthens, nourishes, and protects hair immediately and over time. If you have dry, damaged, or color treated hair, or you want hydrated, stronger, healthier looking hair with body, these are the answer to that question. Now that I own probably $50 worth of this product, there's only one thing left to do. We have to see how it smells, because like I always say, with this much hair, I have to like the scent of a shampoo and conditioner, or I can't use it, because I smell it all day and I wash every day. So it has to be a scent that I like. Oh. What is that? I don't know what that smell is. It smells very clean. Like I said, I can definitely use it, but that's not the pretty scent that I was hoping for. Okay, now that my curiosity has been piqued, we have to get into the conditioner too, because we all know this is the one you're really left smelling. Oh, it's different. Oh, it's better. Yay. I was a little worried about that. I can definitely live with this. It doesn't have a lot of scent. It's just kind of clean and conditioner-y. You know what I mean? There's no added scent, I don't think. Well, I could tell you. Yeah, actually it does have parfum fragrance. I wonder what that smell is. Well, for what it's worth, it says it has safflower and gardenia and coconut in it. So I'm sure that is probably part of the scent. That's what I did for add-ons. That was a really big risk, because I am super scent sensitive. I can take it if it's good. I'm not necessarily one of those people that if it has a strong scent, I absolutely can't use it. I can, I just have to like it. So the beauty of me and shampoos, any shampoos, is I have a daughter and she has 4 daughters. Shampoo and conditioner is not going to waste. So that's what I got from the add-ons. That and the cute little Butter London that, I mean, it just eats your cuticles right off. That sounds aggressive. Well, it kind of is aggressive, but it doesn't hurt. And I do it quickly and wash it right off, but I like it. That was my Boxycharm base box and my couple of add-ons. I'm not going to get into these for a while because I just started those Kenra products and I enjoy the smell and the feel of that conditioner very much. The conditioner checks all the boxes for me. Don't you love it when you use a conditioner and when you put it on, you feel like you're actually getting conditioned? But when you rinse it off, you also feel like you're rinsing it out. It doesn't leave you with that heavy, why can't I get it out of my hair feeling? I'm really on a shampoo and conditioner kick today. Thanks for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope when you like the videos, you give me a thumbs up. It helps get us out in the algorithm so that other people can see us. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys, and I'll see you again soon.